everyone. So in today's lesson, we are going to learn the laws of exponents. Let's start. So let's learn about the basic laws of exponents. So laws of exponents. So the first law of exponent is a raised to the power of m times a raised to the power of n. So when the bases are same, if the bases are same, the powers are going to add. So it means the answer will become m plus n. Now the next thing is a raised to the power of m divided a raised to the power of n. So when the bases are same, we are going to subtract the powers. So it will become a raised to the power of m minus n. The next thing is, suppose we have a raised to the power of m and whole raised to the power of n. Okay, so we are going to multiply the powers. So when we are going to multiply the powers, it will become a raised to the power of m times n. I hope the very three formulas are very much clear to you. The fourth formula is, if we have anything raised to the power of 0, this is the base and this is the power. So if we have anything raised to the power of 0, that will become 1. That will become 1. Anything raised to the power of 0 will become 1. The next thing is, suppose we have a raised to the power of negative 1. Now this is the formula, we call it inverse formula. So a raised to the power of minus 1 will become 1 over a. I hope this thing is very much clear to you. If you have any doubt, you can just comment on this video. Now let's come to one question. Suppose we have a question 2 raised to the power of 4 divided 4 raised to the power of 2. So how we are going to solve this? Just see here. We are just going to write this over here as it is, and I am going to break this 4 in the terms of 2. So when I just break this 4 in the terms of 2, it will become 2 raised to the power of 2. This 4 will got break 2 raised to the power of 2. And we have whole raised to the power of 2. Now by applying the third formula, this formula, you can see over here, I have just multiplied the power. So I am just going to multiply the power. So see here what did I am going to get. So when I multiply them, it will become 2 raised to the power of 4. So when bases are multiplied, the power will get subtracted. It will become 4 minus 4. So 2 raised to the power of 0, and the answer will become 1. So I hope this concept is very much clear to you guys. Okay. If you have any doubt, you can just comment on this video. Thank you.